How to limit who can see what other posts on your profile. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit what who can see what other people post on your profile. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, click on those three lines to get to this page, click on the setting icon beside the search icon, scroll down, and now click on profile and tagging. Now all you need to do is click on the second option, which is who can see what other post on your profile. Now click on everyone, friends of friends, or friends except someone, to limit who can see what other post on your profile. And this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.